Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Pilot key fob battery. First, gather your tools and identify the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the fob. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace ready for the task. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by removing the emergency key. Simply press the release button and pull it out. Next, look for a small slot or indentation on the side of the fob. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or the emergency key into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. It should snap securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are fully closed. Reinsert your emergency key. Now, test all the key fob's functions, like lock and unlock, to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.